Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add video in Facebook story. So here I've already on Facebook and I want to add a video to my story, and here is how you can do that. So first, at your Facebook homepage, just click on create a story here, and then you can just choose a video that you want to add or to update to your story. For example, I want to update this video right here. Okay, so here is the video, and in here you can add sticker, tags, trim the video. You can also add sound, mute the sound and add some music in here. For example, I want to add music, and you can just find the music in here and then click on the music to add it to your video like this. And then after that you can just click on share, and now it's processing, and your video will be updated to your Facebook story. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.